Tired of spending hours cleaning? Stop. Check this out, a robot that does everything for you. 11,000 PA suction, dust, pet hair, crumbs, gone in seconds. It's not magic, it's tech. Dirty floors? Forget it. It mops with 149 degrees hot water, killing germs and leaving every surface sparkling. And the best part? The dock cleans itself. No touching. The robot empties, recharges, and is ready for the next run. Hard to reach corners? Extendable SideBrush gets everything. Auto Solution Refill keeps the mop ready. Control it with Alexa or Google Assistant. Come home to spotless floors. More free time, less stress. Who doesn't want a home that's always clean? It's not just a vacuum. It transforms your routine. Imagine never worrying about cleaning again. Sounds like a dream. It's real. Want to see it in action? Check the link in the description, grab yours on Amazon, and change your home today. Add Amazon for you. And if you love gadgets like this, stay tuned for the next amazing product.